What is a stock? A stock is a security, also known as an equity, that represents the ownership of a fraction of a corporation. It's also known as a share. But what does this mean? Basically, a stock is an investment, a share that you buy at a certain price in hopes that it grows in value over time. So if I'm investing and I own a share, I own a fraction of this corporation. So my one share that I bought for $116 would be one out of a total of 17.103 billion. That's a pretty small say, but technically I still have a say in the company nonetheless. Now, as a partial owner in the company, you'll have access to special shareholder meetings where you can vote on important topics. So buy shares of companies that you know and use, because every time you get a new product, you're investing in a company that you're a partial owner of.